Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can delete document on your ClickUps. Maybe you want to delete a certain documents on ClickUp because you don't need it anymore. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can delete your document on ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And below, you will see here notification icon, search icon, and then these dotted icons. And then now, to delete a document on your ClickUp, tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. Once you tap it, there will be a side panel that will appear. You'll see here the home, notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and docs. To delete a doc, simply tap on these docs and tap on all. And you will see here the all docs. And then here, to delete your doc, simply select the docs you want to delete. For example, you want to delete new doc. Tap on this three dots icon beside it. And there will be a options. As you can see, there is an option to delete at the lower part corner. And here, tap on delete. As you can see in here, you need to confirm it by tapping on this delete again. As you can see, document moved to trash. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to delete your docs on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can delete your docs on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.